Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you how to install Half-Life 2 and Half-Life 2 Episode 1 and Half-Life 2 Episode 2. So first I will just install Half-Life 2 and you're gonna do the same steps on the other Half-Life parts. So first thing we're gonna install. So first thing we're gonna download and install Source Engine, this app right here. I will leave you all the links in the description. No need, I already have this. So second thing, we'll need to download this app called Z Archiver from Play Store. This app right here. Second, we're gonna go to Google. Now we'll have to download these OBB files. Or download this. The second OBB files. OBB file that has 7 gigabytes. So after downloading this patch file and the main file, we need to extract them, but before we have to create a folder. In the main directory of your phone. Called SRCNG. Right. Here's the folder we created. Now go to Z Archiver. Okay. Go back to download. Right click on the main file. Click on the main file. Click on extract. Now we have to select the folder. This one, it's called SRCANG. Extract this in here. Give it some time. Alright, so back to download. Find the patch file, click on it, extract, select the folder we just created and paste it right here. Let's see the source engine. Set game directory. Select this folder. Click on launch. Give it some seconds to load.
I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what does Daddy always tell you? Straighten up, little soldiers. Stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me? Haley, I know you miss your mom and I know you miss your dad. When I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life they never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared I ain't there. Daddy's with you when your prayers no more crying. Why you
As you see, the game is working. Go to option, bit normal. Click on new game. We're gonna test if the game is working.
Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine.
Yeah, it's working.
Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
Right, I will test the gameplay for seconds.
I didn't see you get on. Well, end of the line.
Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here
This stuff, it's
in
all I
the
have
citadel
left.
so thoughtfully provided by
All
our
right, I'm moving.
benefactors.
Jeez.
I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way
Were
to
you the
parts
only ones
unknown,
on that train?
welcome to City 17. It's safe.
Well, as you see, the game is working perfectly. No errors, nothing. So if you face any error or anything, just contact me in the comment section. I will leave all the links to download all the required files for this to work. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos and tutorials like this.